Here's the tip of the day. Caran-d'Ache crayons. They're awesome. And the box is always hard to open. So what you do is you pick a color. Then you can just draw with it. What happens is when you add water, the crayon dissolves. Now you can use this on paper. It's wonderful. But what I like to do is use it on canvas as well. So if I have a piece that needs a little bit of extra texture, I can add the texture like this. And then I can add water. If I want to tint it, just tint the area. I can add water, or I can leave it just as a texture. Either one works really well. What happens is the color will go into the bumps of the canvas and dry there and leave puddles or different extra marks and extra texture. It just adds a lot of interest to your painting. So that's the tip of the day. Neocolor Caran-d'Ache crayons. Have fun. We'll see you in the next video.